Welcome to Capital Luxury, where we unravel the mysteries of the watch industry. Today, we're diving into the intriguing story behind the recent drop in Rolex prices. Don't miss out on this expert analysis. You'll be in for a ride through the current market dynamics of luxury timepieces. Join us as we explore the factors driving this shift and gain valuable insights into why Rolex prices are on the decline. This video is your guide to understanding the impact on both buyers and collectors. It's no secret that Rolex watch prices have recently taken a dip, a shift from the consistent upward trend over many years. Some experts attribute this to a market correction, while others speculate on a more significant drop. The reason? Rolex prices had been escalating faster than the overall market for the past 3 years, leading to a disconnect from official Rolex prices. Before the slowdown, the watch market experienced a frenzy. High demand for Rolex watches, coupled with excitement around cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, created a supply-demand imbalance. Materials such as steel became scarce, and watches like the Rolex Daytona were fetching prices nearly twice their official values. However, this buying frenzy couldn't sustain itself. Cryptocurrency values dropped, inflation kicked in, and the watch market faced uncertainties. Now, we're witnessing a correction, a return to a more balanced market state. The values of prestigious watch brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet have seen a dip of nearly 20%. Those who purchased sought-after models like the Rolex Oyster Perpetual with the Tiffany blue dial are now attempting to sell quickly to avoid further losses. On the flip side, Tudor, akin to Rolex's sibling, has experienced a more modest decline of about 1.8%. The current scenario is extending the time it takes for people to buy and sell watches. Sellers are hesitant to part with their watches at a loss, and buyers are on the lookout for attractive deals. How does this dynamic affect sellers and buyers? For sellers, especially flippers, it's a challenging landscape as the rapid decrease in watch prices affects their profitability. While investing in watches is legitimate, the emphasis should be on appreciating their beauty and craftsmanship rather than solely on resale value. Contrary to the current trend, the vintage watch market is thriving. Investing in vintage luxury watches promises quick sales and good returns. This contrasts with recent years when modern or contemporary watches were outpacing vintage ones in terms of value growth. The projection for 2026 indicates that online sales of watches will constitute nearly 60% of total sales. Even prestigious brands like Rolex are adapting, entering the secondary market by selling pre-owned certified watches. This move poses a challenge to traditional auction houses, as customers may be less inclined to pay high premiums. The rise in fake watches and fraudulent sellers is a consequence of the industry boom. Clients, seeking authenticity, are turning to trusted dealers to build confidence in their purchases. A recent report forecasts the global luxury watch market to exceed $100 billion by 2026. With second-hand sales accounting for $35 billion. The industry's evolution will increase competition, challenge profit margins, and surge inventory. Companies must be creative and innovative to stay competitive. In the meantime, while the prices are down, it is predicted that it will soar back up in the first quarter of 2024. Why don't you check these watches and decided which ones to invest in? Rolex Air King, starting around $6,500. The Rolex Air King stands as a classic aviation watch celebrated for its simplicity and durability. Crafted with a stainless steel case, an oyster bracelet, and a time-only dial, this timepiece boasts a mechanical self-winding movement known as the Caliber 3131. Developed entirely in-house by Rolex, the 3131 features innovations like a power reserve of approximately 48 hours and a perpetual rotor, ensuring the mainspring is wound as the wearer's wrist moves. Rolex Explorer, designed for adventure and exploration. The Rolex Explorer, starting around $6,500, offers a sporty appeal. With a stainless steel case, an oyster bracelet, and a time-only dial featuring luminescent hour markers for visibility in low light conditions, it provides water resistance up to 330 feet, 100 meters, making it suitable for beach trips. Rolex Datejust, priced around $7,500. The Rolex Datejust is a timeless classic recognized for its elegant design and versatile style. Unlike the previous models, it is available not only in stainless steel, but also in a combination of steel and gold. The Datejust offers options for an oyster or jubilee bracelet and includes a date complication on the dial. Rolex Lady Datejust, for women seeking an affordable yet elegant option. The Rolex Lady Datejust, starting at $7,500, is a compelling choice. Available in stainless steel or a steel and gold combination, including rose gold. This model offers variations in bracelet options, such as Jubilee or Oyster, along with a date window on the dial. The cheapest used Rolex watches, while the aforementioned models provide affordable entry points for new Rolex watches. Delving into the secondary market for pre-owned timepieces offers an even more budget-friendly option. Much like buying used cars, purchasing pre-owned Rolex watches involves risks but can result in better value when done right. In the world of high-end collections like the Rolex GMT Master 2 or Submariner, and especially for specific vintage models, the secondary market is the go-to option. However, iconic models like the black dial Rolex Submariner Ref 6538, associated with James Bond, can command high prices, as seen in recent auctions exceeding $500,000. Where to buy cheap Rolex watches online? When it comes to buying Rolex watches online, caution is paramount due to the prevalence of fake watches and unscrupulous sellers. However, reputable online platforms, approved by Rolex, offer authentic products and reliable services. Jomashop, a trusted and Rolex-approved online dealer, provides a variety of luxury goods, including Rolex watches, offering new, pre-owned, and vintage Rolex watches at various price points. Jomashop ensures the authenticity of its products through expert authentication, with warranties on new and pre-owned watches, along with a 30-day return policy. Jomashop provides a secure platform for Rolex enthusiasts. Bob's Watches, in business for over 20 years, is known for its trustworthiness and competitive pricing. With a team of experts authenticating and servicing each watch, Bob's Watches offers detailed information and photos of each watch on its website, featuring a price match guarantee, a detailed condition report, and a money-back guarantee. Bob's Watches prioritizes transparency and customer confidence. Why is Rolex so expensive? Understanding the reasons behind the high cost of Rolex watches can help justify the investment. 4 main factors contribute to the expense. 1. Prestige. Rolex's global recognition and esteemed reputation contribute to its perceived value. Worn by iconic figures and explorers, the brand's prestige adds to its allure. 2. Materials. Rolex utilizes high-quality materials, such as 904 liters stainless steel and precious metals like gold and platinum, enhancing the watch's durability and aesthetic appeal. 3. Design/craftsmanship. Meticulously crafted by skilled watchmakers, Rolex watches undergo extensive assembly and testing. The brand's continuous investment in research and development ensures precision and functionality. 4. Limited production. Rolex produces a limited number of watches annually, maintaining exclusivity and desirability. Careful control over distribution channels through authorized dealers further contributes to the brand's premium pricing. Is a Rolex a good investment? While owning a Rolex can be appealing, considering it purely as an investment requires careful consideration. The value of a Rolex watch is influenced by factors like market demand, condition, rarity, and provenance. While certain vintage models may appreciate over time, purchasing a Rolex solely for investment purposes is not guaranteed to yield significant returns. The prestige of the brand, rarity of the model, and well-documented history can enhance a Rolex's value. However, the condition and maintenance of the watch play crucial roles in its resale value. While a Rolex can potentially be a good investment, it is recommended to view it as a statement piece appreciated for its design, craftsmanship, and history rather than a guaranteed financial return. Thanks for joining us on Capital Luxury, your go-to channel for insightful watch industry updates. Stay tuned for more expert analysis and market insights. Until next time, happy watching.